I'm Grant Shipley. I'm a senior manager of the OpenShift Platform as a Service cloud application suite at Red Hat.
And obviously the big news with Red Hat this week is the release of PaaS X. Can you tell us what that means for OpenShift and
Yeah, sure. So XPass is a roadmap for what we believe is going to be the future and our strategy for delivering all these new as-a-service type functionalities on top of cloud, including middleware, mobile push notifications, and other things like that to give a complete enterprise story in the cloud.
Okay, so can you tell us a little bit more? What are the most exciting features of your strategy and roadmap?
Yeah, sure. So the first one we released is actually called AeroGear Push Notifications, which will allow you to have a mobile backend as a service to deliver push notifications to mobile devices, mobile web, as well as web browsers using standards and open-based APIs.
Okay, so you think this will make life a lot easier for the people working?
Yeah, absolutely.
To develop it and
sure. One of the headaches with mobile development, I have a lot of experience with that, is integrating these push technologies and other things into your application. And we're providing with AeroGear a simple interface and a common interface across all the devices. We have native clients for Objective-C, for Android platforms, and if you're using things like Accelerators Titanium or Cordova, we have JavaScript libraries as well.
So what do you think lies ahead for the future of Java in the cloud? Do you think they're going to be, obviously you kind of revamped this, your new release very much as addressing kind of the issues, but do you think, where do you think it's going to go for the next couple of years?
Yeah, I think over the next 2 to 3 years, PaaS will be one of those tools that all developers need to know. And a lot of things are shifting towards that because of the complexity of standing up your own Java-based environment with application servers. With the cloud, we can automate the management of all of that. So developers don't necessarily have to know the ins and outs of the JBoss application server, for example, and how to cluster it and how to set up load balancers. But the platform as a service, and with XPass, all the other middleware pieces we're bringing into it can be automated for developers so they can focus on code and not necessarily the infrastructure and integrating all of these pieces together.
Do you see anyone kind of on the market now doing anything similar to what Red Hat is doing in terms of cloud strategy? Do you think, or do you feel like you're quite unique in this space?
We are definitely unique for XPass, which is the complete middleware stack for the cloud. And Red Hat is really the only company that has all the pieces for that. We have the infrastructure as a service with our OpenStack distribution. We have the operating system with Red Hat Enterprise Linux. We have the middleware components with JBoss. We have the front-end components with our Java story. And then we have the cloud piece with OpenShift. And so the XPass announcement is really about marrying the JBoss technologies and the middleware, the business process management, with our cloud technologies to provide a seamless integration. So there's not any other company that has the full suite of products we have today, but there are some other competitors that just have the platform as a service piece, but not the middleware components that we announced this morning.
And just going back, obviously we're at JavaOne this week. What do you think, apart from your news, what do you think is the biggest, most exciting thing to come out of this conference?
At JavaOne, it's great for me to see people actually taking cloud computing seriously now.
Yeah,
last year
themed,
and the year before, it was just all hype. Everyone was talking about cloud computing, but they didn't understand the benefits and the value that it actually brings to you. So we're kind of gotten through all of that smoke now, and people are understanding the real benefits of cloud computing.
It's graduated from buzzword to linear concept.
Yeah, and it's not vaporware anymore. On OpenShift, the project I worked on, we have over 1 million applications that's been created just on our public cloud platform alone, not even including our on-premise products.
Okay, great. Well, thank you very much for talking to us today.
You too.
And I'll hope to see you around the conference.
Okay, thank you.